Okay, here we are fixing the posts. So we have to do some creative repair here. The one piece was very rotten, so I really couldn't reuse it. So I got one about the same size. Turns out it's about the same size as the flooring. So I've cut it. I had to put a little bevel on it. You can see there's a slight bevel. You can see it on the other ones. Right here. Not much of a bevel, so all I did was use a rasp. And I'm just cutting them with the old wooden miter box with a handsaw. Really not too sophisticated, but I tell you it works. And that's what they would have used originally. So it looks like it doesn't fit quite right. If we put this end good, we got an overlap here. But if you see, maybe if this presses in, it's going to take away some of that. And then I can always file it down and use some caulking. But also, it looks like we might have a slight spread right here. So maybe when I pound the nails in here, it'll pull that in and make it about the right size. So we're going to do that now. And you can see this other post. This one we did. These were all good, fairly good. So I took the nails out, re-nailed them, caulked it. And this one's almost ready for primer. This is just the base part of it. We have to redo this part next. But we're going to finish this other one first.